In this video, we will guide you on how to convert EML files to MSG format using the BitRecover EML Converter Wizard. To download the software, simply click the Download Now button. After downloading, install the software on your system and then open it. This is the interface of the BitRecover EML Converter Wizard. First, click the Next button at the bottom. Now you need to select the EML files. To do this, click on the Select Files button. In the new window, browse and choose the required EML files. After selecting the files, click Open to continue. Then, click the Next button at the bottom to proceed further. Here, you will see a list of all the EML files. You can select or deselect the files you do not want to convert. To select all EML files at once, click the checkbox at the top. Once done, click the Next button to continue. Here, you need to select the format in which you want to convert the files. This software allows you to convert EML files into multiple formats. For this video tutorial, we will select MSG format, but users can choose any format as per their requirement. Under the destination path, the default location is set to the desktop. You can change it by clicking on the folder icon on the right. You can also enable the Save Converted Messages in the same source folder option to export files directly into the original source folder. In the File Naming Options section, you can choose how the output files will be named. Multiple naming options are available. By default, it is set to Original File Name, and we'll keep it as is. Now that all the settings have been configured, it's time to start the conversion process. Click the Next button at the bottom to begin. The conversion process has been completed successfully. Click OK to continue. After clicking OK, you will be redirected to the Converted Files folder. Now, let's check the converted MSG files. These are your successfully converted MSG files. And that's it.
Thank you for watching.